Hello everybody. So in this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to change the material properties in EnergyPlus. So as we know that the material will impact to the cooling load demand within the space. So here I'll show you how to change the material properties in EnergyPlus and assign it to the zone surface. We can see in the material tab here that we have several material properties in this model, okay? And these material properties will be used in the constructions input here. So for example, this one is the construction of a material for roof based on ASHRAE 2009. And this construction consists of roof membranes, roof insulation, and metal decking. So as we can see here, one of it is roof membranes, and we can check it in the material tab here. We can check the roof membranes material properties here. So as you can see here, the roof membranes have a very roughness and around 9.5 millimeters thickness. And here is the conductivity, density, specific heat, and the absorptance of this material. You can check the definition of the parameters here again in the EnergyPlus input or output reference here, okay? And I have made a summary of this parameter definition. So, for example, the roughness. What is the roughness? And what are the options for the roughness? The options are very rough, medium, smooth, and very smooth. For more detail, you can check on EnergyPlus input and output reference. And yes, you can also search on Google, I think, for more information about what is conductivity on material, the density, and thermal absorptance, solar absorptance, visible absorptance also. And there are also several material for the window. Here it is. So as we can see here, it has several material properties here, from clear 3 millimeters window material to theoretical glass. And you can also check the window construction here. For example, this one. So this is exterior window for climate zone 1 based on ASHRAE 2009, and it used theoretical glass 167. So we can check what is the material properties of theoretical glass 167 in this tab, window material glazing here. So here it is, the theoretical glass 167. And this is the material properties of this window material. Okay, so in this video tutorial, I want to change my window material glazing to other window material properties. So if we want to check what is the window material that we use in this model, we can check it in the building surface detailed here. Okay, so you go to the thermal zones and surfaces part and open the building surface detailed here. Oh, I'm sorry, this one is for the opaque surface. For example, for floor, wall, roof. Okay, so And if you want to check the window construction that you used in this model, you should go to the fenestration surface detailed here, okay? So it will be automatically created when you exported your geometry from the SketchUp. So we have 3 window surface, and the construction name of the window material that we used in this model is Exterior Window Climate Zone 1 based on After 2009. Okay, so this one is the one that use the theoretical glass 167 here. So I would like to change this window material to another window material. So let's say I would like to change the window construction which before use the theoretical glass 167 to clear 6 millimeters window material. So here I will click the new object button, define the name. So I will make the name as clear 6 millimeters. Okay, and I need all of this data, and I can get this data from the manufacturer sheet that you can get from the supplier. But here I have another software to check the material properties of a window, which called Window 7.2, and you can check the material properties of a glass. Okay, so for example here I can go to the glass, the libraries, and then go to glass tab, and here I can see several material properties of several window materials. And I would like to know about the material properties of clear glass with 6 millimeters thickness here, and I can click Detail View. So here is the material properties of the 6 millimeter clear glass, and then I will add this one by one to this EnergyPlus input here. Okay, actually the exact thickness is 5.7, so I'll change this one to, oh, I'm sorry. And that one is for the front side solar reflectance at normal incidence here. I can add it here. And then this one is backside solar reflectance at normal incidence. So trans back, this one, the same value. So this one is front side visible reflectance. Reflectance front for visible. So this one is for this one. And then backside reflectance is this one. So this one is the same. So this one have the same value. And then visible transmittance at normal. So I think that one is this. So it has the same value also. So this one should be the reflectance. I'm sorry. The reflectance is this one. Okay. Reflectance and normal solar transmittance at normal. So this. Infrared transmittance at normal. 0. Infrared hemispherical emissivity, so this one is this. Yes, that's true. And the conductivity, we have, this one is conductivity, so it's 1. And yeah, I think we just delete this too. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the Windows material for a clear glass 6 millimeters, and we will use this material as our window construction. So we have to open again the construction tab here, and now we should create a new construction input. Let's say we will name this construction as exterior window. Okay, and I'm not sure, or maybe we can name it a little bit different, new, exterior window new. Okay, and we'll use the clear 6 millimeter window material here. And then we also need to change the construction that we used here. So before, we already made a new construction for the exterior window. So this is exterior window new, and also this one and this one. Okay, and that is how you can change your material in EnergyPlus. And now we will simulate this model with a new window material, and we will compare the cooling lot of this new window material with the previous window material. Okay, while waiting for the simulation, I'll show you the summary of the material parameter input here. So this is the summary for the material for opaque surface, and this is the summary of the material for windows. So you can change the window material and input the parameter one by one like this. If you have all the required data, you can use this. Okay, but if you don't have enough data like this, you only have, for example, the U factor of the glass and the solar heat gain coefficient and the visible transmittance, then you can use the simple glazing input parameter. So you can use the window material glazing, this one, if you have the required data, all the required data here. Or you can use the window material simple glazing system here if you only have the U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, and visible transmittance. Because sometimes the supplier only has this data, so you can use this when you only have all of this data.